What is up, guys? We are out here fishing in Miami, visiting my sister for the weekend. Gonna try and catch some fish. Get back to you. Ooh, I'm on. First fish of the day. It's a good pea. Get up here. That's a nice peacock right there. Whoa. He annihilated that bait. Look at how I think he wanted that one. Okay, chill. You gotta calm down. I didn't even see him follow or anything. I just saw my bait completely just gone. Trying to get this pup. Really should have brought pliers, but I'm lazy, so. Jesus Christ, Can I tell you this thing got the hook? I mean, he got the hook. There we go, he's out. Okay. Ooh, chill. First peacock of the day. Snap a quick picture of him. It's like about a pounder, okay? Pretty solid little fish. He's gonna chill. Get a picture? Let him go. Peace. He's a little shocked. He'll be good though. Ooh, I'm on still. Okay, that's a fish. I thought that came off. Chill out. Okay. And this is why we bring pliers. Nothing. This fish cranked it. A little peacock right there. Let's get a snap of pic. Okay, guys, so we just arrived at spot number 2. It looks absolutely unreal, really cool. I'll show you guys a little bit of it. Right here. It honestly looks unreal. Super good. Let's see what we can catch out of here, guys. Ooh, I got a fish. On peak. 3 of them right behind him. Nice little peacock. Along here, you're never gonna believe what I'm seeing in this lake right here. Look at that gator. Zoom in on for you. Jeez. It's a small one, but Florida's pretty cool. I got him. Small one. Got one of them. Chill, bro. That's a nice one right there. Yep, on a bed. There's a big one trying to eat my bait too. So, snap a quick picture. Where are you going at? You and me? Yep. Oh God, chill. Later. Ooh. Come on, Evie. Got him. Flip or die. Oh, that's a nice one. Let's go. I got another one. This is the big one. Let's go.
Did you catch 2 off of that? Is that what it was?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, man.
Can you grab a picture of me real quick?
What's that? Oh yeah, absolutely, bro.
Thanks. You mind if you're in the video? I'm trying to make a YouTube video.
Oh no, it's fine, man.
Alright, thanks. Yeah, this is an old largemouth technique where you just take a swim bait because what they're defending against is against other fish.
Yeah.
So that really just pisses them off. And that's what I was doing immediately. Like I was throwing that jerk bait, they weren't even reacting to it, then I tried something else. Second I pulled out this little swim bait, they instantly got really aggressive to it. So
Yeah, well, and you know the guys on the other side too are using shiners and they got hit twice already too. I think that may be the trick here.
Yep. Oh, he got so good this treble. He was not going anywhere. He kept on faulty charging it. He was like moving at it.
That's a nice one, man.
This is probably like around 2 pounds, I would say. Here, just swipe to the left.
Oh wait. Home.
Do you know how to use it?
It won't.
Hit cancel, and then it swipes to the. Just go down.
Oh, okay. There's a camera in here somewhere?
No. What's that? I got it.
Sorry, brother.
No, it's fine. It's fine. It's just there. Photo.
Perfect.
See how dirty now? That's fine.
I've been out here for 3 hours. In 2 minutes, he's caught 2 in a row. All right. 1, 2, 3. And one more just for good measure.
All right. Good. Thank you.
Absolutely, man.
Ooh, look, there's another big one right there too. Thank you.
Congratulations, man.
Thank you. It's probably like one of my biggest
Buy
ones.
some swim baits now.
Yeah.
To add to my other collection of things that don't work.
Oh, I want to rinse my hands off now. They're gross. So I'm right into the water.
You can kind of get down in here.
I want to fall in.
There
Whatever.
are better places. Like I get stuck and pull out of here a lot.
That's fine. It's whatever. I'll use some leaves. Oh, my pants are gross now. Let's go. Alright guys, this is my last day in Miami. I'm going to be heading home soon, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.